In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add envelope indicators on TradingView Pro in a quick and easy way. First, make sure you're logged into your TradingView account and you have a chart open. It can be any market or time frame. The process is exactly the same. Once your chart is on the screen, look towards the top of the page for the Indicators button. It's usually near the middle of the toolbar above your chart. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This is where you can add all kinds of tools and studies to your chart, and the envelope indicator is one of them. When the indicators window opens, you'll see several categories and tabs. For this tutorial, you want to head over to the section related to technicals. Depending on your layout, it may be labeled something like technical or appear under a tab with built-in technical indicators. Click into that area so you're looking at the standard technical tools that TradingView provides. At the top of this indicators panel, you should see a search bar. This is the easiest way to find exactly what you need without scrolling through a huge list. Click into the search field so your cursor is active there. Now, start typing the word envelope. As you type, TradingView will filter the list below in real time. You're looking for the built-in envelope indicator that shows up in the results. Once you see it, simply click on it once. As soon as you do, the envelope indicator will be applied directly to the chart you have open. You should now see bands plotted around your price action. These are the envelope lines, which can help you visualize potential overbought and oversold zones, or areas where price might be stretching away from its recent average. If you want to customize it, you can hover over the indicator name on your chart, open the settings, and adjust things like the period, the deviation, and the colors, so they match your style and strategy. If you're not already using TradingView Pro, and you want access to more advanced features, additional indicators on a single chart, or faster data, check out the link in this video description. You can use that link to sign up for a Pro plan and unlock more powerful charting tools that work great with indicators like envelopes. And that's all there is to it. You clicked on indicators, went to the technical section, used the search bar to find envelope, and added it to your chart. Follow these steps anytime you want to quickly set up envelope indicators on TradingView Pro.